So here, whatever you doing, the line is easy. This part is easy because this is square. The with whatever window style you are making, it is a straight line. Straight line. Okay. If you make anything, any areas you making this, it should be the both are straight. Both are straight. Okay. Only the side view. I erasing this. Only the side view. It should be looks. Okay, if I want to make here also the window, I get help from this line. I just mark with the I mark with this window for this window for this. Okay, I first mark it and then I can create here. So first imagine the box and then imagine this. Okay, wherever you want to make the window, it should be perspective. Paint the perspective like this. Very simple. So we are going to understand the how to create the landscape. Okay, the cityscapes. Yes, this is also I share you. If you want to make this as arch, okay, here. So first I just take the reference from, suppose here I want to make arch. I just take reference line from here, and here the arch line I show. Yeah, I take the different. So it is I show it is coming like this. We maintaining the top of this line, red line maintain but top. Okay, like this coming. If you suppose I show here when arch and top of it, then understand more. Here I want to make one building. Just 1 minute. The confusion that if I want to draw the arch, then what I do? This is very good questions. So I do the same thing. I make just one building, one part. Okay. So this is one point perspective, and this is my building. This is a building or the room, maybe the room. Okay, this is my building. I want to make an arch over here. So what I do, I just make through the help of this, I take the line like this. Okay, and this line should be straight. This line should be straight. Only this line I just take it like this. See, here the distance is small. Here this is the big. That's why there is line coming like this, because this point, arching point should be maintained. This point and this point. See, this is starting from here.